The next time I see you guys on Spell Table, I don't want to hear a single mispronunciation, all right? I want you guys to treat this like English class. Armory Veteran, Scion of Stygia, Gloomstalker, Zombie Ogre, Elterguard Ranger, almost got me, Faraday's Fireball, okay? You come to the Knoll Camp, right? Silent G, Underdark, Basilisk, Manticore, Baleful Beholder, Cleric Class, Trickster's Talisman, Cloister Gargoyle, Delina, Wild Mage, Mountain Angel. Catch up.